Hi, I'm Ruchika. I welcome you to Success CD's Education. Here I'll tell you about the most important revolutions in the history of the world. American Revolution. It began in the year 1775 and came to an end in 1783. The combatants in the American Revolution were Great Britain and the 13 British colonies in America. The cause for the American Revolution was that the colonists were frustrated because Britain forced them to pay taxes, yet it did not give them any representation in the British Parliament. The outcome was the Treaty of Paris was signed, which is one of the peace treaties between Britain and the countries supporting the American cause of revolution. It was signed in Paris in the year 1783. The second outcome was that the colonies got their independence from Great Britain. The next is the French Revolution. It took place from the year 1789 to 1799. The participant was the French society. The causes for the French Revolution were the struggle for hegemony, that is, a leader state wants to control subordinate states in all forms, like in terms of finance or military, and to become an empire outstripping the fiscal resources of the state. There was a conflict between the monarchy and the nobility bankruptcy. Social antagonism between the two rising groups, that is the aristocracy and the bourgeoisie. The ineffectiveness of the ruler Louis XVI. The outcome of the French Revolution was the abolition of the French monarchy, radical social change based on liberalism and other Enlightenment principles. Also, there was the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. The next is the October Revolution. It took place between October 1917 and November 1917 in Petrograd, Russia. The combatants were the Russian Provisional Government and the Russian Soviet Federative Socialist Republic. The causes were the Bolsheviks. The Bolsheviks are the Marxist Russian Social Democratic Labour Party of the Soviets. The Provisional Government, the Soviets, and the economic problems that were going on in Russia. The outcome of the October Revolution was the creation of Soviet Russia. All Russian Congress of Soviets became the supreme governing body. The next is the Mexican Revolution. It took place for 10 years between 1910 and 1920 in Mexico. The combatants were Mexico, USA, and Liberation Army of the South. The causes for the Mexican Revolution were the dictatorship-like rule of Porfirio Diaz for over 30 years, exploitation and poor treatment of the workers. The outcome was Francisco Madero was elected the president of Mexico in 1911 and he was assassinated in February 1913. Founding of the National Revolutionary Party in 1929. Another outcome was that there were successive assassinations of revolutionary leaders, Madero in 1913, Zapata in 1919, Venustiano Carranza in 1920, Pancho Villa in 1923, and Alvaro Obregón in 1928. The Russian Revolution. It took place between 1917 to 1918 in Russia. The combatants were Russian Empire and the Russian Provisional Government. The causes for the Russian Revolution were the peasant poverty, Tsarist autocracy and lack of representation, ineffective government. The outcome was Bolshevik victory, abdication of Nicholas II, that is, the ruler Nicholas II had to resign, collapse of the imperial government. The next is the Chinese Revolution. It took place between 1949 to 1952, China. The combatants were the Communist Party of China, Republic of China, and Kuomintang. Causes for the Chinese Revolution was that the revolutionaries in southern China led a revolt against the Qing dynasty, establishing the Republic of China and ending the imperial system. The outcome was that the communist victory took place and took over the mainland China. People's Republic of China was established in mainland China. Another outcome was that the government of the Republic of China was relocated to Taiwan. The Cuban Revolution, it took place from 26 July 1953 to 1 January 1959 in Cuba. The combatants were the 26th of July movement and the Republic of Cuba. The cause was the brutal and oppressive dictatorship of Fulgencio Batista, and the outcome of the Cuban Revolution was that 26th of July movement won. It overthrew Fulgencio Batista's government. Another outcome was the establishment of a socialist state and communist government led by Fidel Castro. The next is the Industrial Revolution. It took place in the 18th to the 19th century in Britain. Here are some points to remember about it. The development of the spinning machine by Sir Richard Arkwright in England led to the rise of the Industrial Revolution. It was first popularized by the English economic historian Arnold Toynbee. The outcome of the Industrial Revolution was that the use of new basic materials, chiefly iron and steel, took place. There was use of new energy sources such as coal, steam engine, electricity and petroleum. A new organization of work known as the factory system took place. Important developments were there in transportation and communication. The next is the typing revolution. It took place between December 1850 to August 1864 in China. The combatants were the Qing dynasty, United Kingdom, France and the Second French Empire. The cause for this was that Hong Xiuquan declared being Jesus' younger brother and had been called to overthrow the Qing dynasty. Outcome was that the Qing dynasty won and the fall of the Taiping Heavenly Kingdom took place. The German Revolution. The first stage took place between 29 October 1918 to 9 November 1918 and the second stage of the German Revolution took place between 3rd November 1918 to 11th August 1919. The place was Germany. The combatants were the German Empire and the Weimar Republic. The cause for the German Revolution was the failure in the First World War, hardships which were happening in Germany, and the Russian Revolution. Outcome was that the Weimar Republic won and abdication of the Emperor Wilhelm II. Do not forget to watch these other videos on GK and do subscribe to Success CDs Education. Thank you.